a little beat up, but that's cute. Hot glue. Okay. Enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helen, the founder of Luvme Hair. I'm reading this upside down, so it's cute. Alright, I love purple. Oh, that's nice. Oh, did I order this or did I get this? Okay, I'll get this. Okay, so I finally have one of these bracelets to try. I'm assuming, I think it's the Felicia Leatherwood was the originator. And you know after that, that means everybody else is gonna make their own version, so like that. And then we have the 2 wig caps. There is a pamphlet in here, or a couple page booklet. Okay, for hair care, and then the return policy. That hair looks nice, cute. And then that's it for the box. The last thing is this. And let's see, there is edge brush. I don't know about these brushes, y'all. I'm supposed to find edges. It's kind of scary. Okay, so you have the elastic band. You can put in the wig if you'd like. Oh, is this the head wrap? Yeah. Okay, that's the tie the edges down. You got tweezers to pluck the wig. This is a bang wig, so I don't want to do that. Okay, so you have some hairpins. And a Luvme. Okay, that is not bad. So let's see. I forget the name of this. I'm hoping there's a tag in here. And doesn't look to be that there is. I think she's human. Okay, smells like wig. Alright, so no, it's definitely not human hair. It is synthetic, but obviously it can take some heat. And this is what it looks like, fresh out of the box. Let's see. Okay, well it does have a band in there, so that's awesome. Okay, so there are, in the wig, there are 2 combs in the front, so they'd be approximately here. And then you have the elastic band. There is a comb in the bottom. And then you also have the adjustable straps that are in there as well. So it should be pretty secure. I don't remember what I ordered. I thought I ordered a 1 or a 1B. That's usually my color, but this looks more like just a natural brown. It almost looks like a 4 to me, but you know, who am I to say what it is? But, all right, so I'm gonna braid my hair down and we'll see how this goes. Welcome back, guys. I am just here with the Luvme Hair Bang and Bob wig. So it's the next day. My hair should be mostly dry. I'm just getting ready to go to work for the day. I'm going to put the straps on in the back. Alright, this is still it. Fresh out of the box. I didn't wash it, probably should have, because that may irritate me all day long. name who I look like. Alright, so we're good and flat. I'm going to put my wig cap on. This is not one of the ones that came with the hair, but it's one that I already have in rotation, so. Remember, inside the wig, we have the 2 combs on the side. We have the adjustable, or not the adjustable, it's the actual elastic band. And then you have the adjustable straps at the bottom. And there's another comb at the bottom as well. All right, so let's see what we're looking like. I have a small head, but this is kind of scaring me how small it feels. Oh, Lord. Okay, we won't need the combs at all. Not even a little bit. Okay, and then that in my hair business is not going to work, in my face business rather. Okay. Is it even? Let's turn it a little bit. Feels. Is the bang cut even, or do I have the wig twisted? Swings. Okay, so this side is cut straight, and this one is kind of going down. Okay, so it's not me. But let's try to match it a little. And bring that puppy down on this side. Alright, so I'm just gonna bump it a little bit. Nothing major here. I did not check to see how much heat this thing could take. So hopefully this works because we got ready to walk out the door for work after this. Okay, that's cute, but that is gonna irritate me. Oh, that's cute. Okay, she do good with heat. I cannot tell you what temperature this is on because I've probably had this flat iron for more years than many folk have been alive at this point, so I got no details other than I think it's nice. And I have no rhyme or reason about how I'm going in here. I'm literally just trying to bump it a little bit. Okay, I think I like it when the ends have that. Oh yeah, that's a lot cuter. It's giving me 90s kind of vibe, but you know what? I think I like it. Curl this a little bit tighter, just because the whole point of getting the mostly short wig was 1, to cover up my nape, yes, and then 2, to not have it on my nape. It's about to be summertime and hot. Ain't nobody got time for that. Actually, let's switch up a little bit. Okay, it's doable. Now, I'm not one to wear makeup typically, but I think I will add some, what's that stuff called? Mascara? Yeah, judge me all you like, I don't care. But I think I'll add just a tad bit of mascara so my eyes don't look like my eyelashes don't exist. Sweet. Let's see. Ooh, she looking real. What year is this? Name that year. Yeah, that might be cute. So I can have it out of my face, off my sides, forehead covered. I don't do anything to my eyebrows anyway, so nothing changes there. I have no idea what we're looking like in the back, but I hope it's still cute. Okay, let's see. Let's get the makeup bag out here. And we're gonna try this guy. Some LA Colors Dramatalage Volume Mascara. We'll try that. I'm not done my bottom lashes because my eyes already water enough as it is, so I don't need anything else that might add to or cause it to be in my what is that side? Just in case my eyes water, I don't want to wipe the mascara into my eye and then cause unnecessary irritation. We're all about that less stress life around here. Y'all see me dodging the air freshener. The way that it's pointed right now is right at my face. Little sideburns. This is so hilarious to me. Not the little sideburns, girl. All right, I guess that's what we're gonna call it as. Let me know what you think. I will put the information about this hair in the description box. It is a Luvme wig. So this is a unit from Luvme hair. I had the description card. How the cards come with it to kind of explain or give the details of what the wig is. That did not come with the wig, and truth be told, I have not yet looked at any of the ordering details to confirm or deny what the wig is. So what I'll do is I'll put it in the description box for you, so that way if you are interested in it, you can go ahead and purchase it, or if I find the link to it, which I'm sure I can, I'll go ahead and put that down there as well. No discount code or anything like that. I bought this with my own money. It's not a sponsored video or anything like that. Just wanted something quick and cute for the summer where I didn't have to manipulate my hair at all, and I could leave my hair as protected underneath. And you guys hopefully have already seen that video of me just kind of putting my hair away to go up under the wig. I will wear this for at least 1 week. I usually do that. I wear a wig a week when I'm doing wigs. It's my protective style. I prefer synthetic, or a blend of human and synthetic, or like this synthetic that can be curled, only because in my opinion, this is just my opinion, a wig is meant to do 2 things, and that is to protect your hair and to provide you convenience by saving you time. So if I have to manipulate my hair, the wig, the same way that I have to manipulate my hair, then there is no value in my opinion. So for me, it's going to be these little quick, cheapy. Actually, this one wasn't that cheap. It's $80-something in my opinion. That's beyond my little synthetic price budget. I like to go, but that's here nor there. I went ahead and got it because I thought it was cute. And we'll see how it works out. If there's anything crazy, I'll let you know, but there's not. I mean, you know, sometimes there's shedding. I can tell by the little hairs that came out. There were a few of these that came out during the unboxing and this, but I think it's more so from maybe where they're trying to style the wig, or, you know, maybe just something that stick. I mean, at the end of the day, I don't know how it was made, but it's not anything that's taken away from the wig, so there's nothing to gripe about or complain about. Oh, I'm brushing this the wrong way. But, I mean, it lays down flat. It took well to heat. It does have a little bit of a wig smell, but that can go away 1 of 2 ways. Either if you're a person that puts products in your wigs, it'll go away that way. If you wash it, it'll go away that way. I didn't wash it because I didn't want to. That's all it is to it. So, if the smell bothers me, which it doesn't right now, but if it bothers me to the point that I need to wash it, then I'll follow up and let you guys know. Otherwise, we're gonna rock out just like this. All right, y'all be blessed.